Hey, I'm Joe Mastracchio, owner of Palm Beach Outdoor. Welcome to 201 Monceau Road in the heart of El Cid in West Palm Beach, where we did a project here a few months ago. Let's go take a look. All right, guys, welcome. This beautiful historic home was just fully renovated by Banyan Construction. We did all exterior. First off, let me start here with the front entryway. We have beautiful travertine stepping stones. They're set in beautiful Empire zoysia, and we have a step up in elevation to the pool area. So let's go back this way. We have a beautiful lawn area. This project's very unique. The pool's actually in the front of the yard. Beautiful Calusia and cowl film hedge, planters on both sides. Nice sized lawn area. This is all Empire zoysia. Okay, start with the pool. Limestone shell beige coping done by the pool contractor. They had a beautiful pool. And then we built these steps going into the living room. This is a shell beige 24 by 24 with a brick soldier course border. This is probably the coolest feature on this property is the cabana. We have 18 by 36 limestone strips here with Empire zoysia in between. Same thing, 24 by 24 shell beige limestone with a soldier course border. Beautiful cabana. They wanted to go with the Nantucket theme. All right, guys, probably the most beautiful driveway we've ever done. My personal favorite. This right here is an old world cobblestone, 4 inches thick, large bevel joints, filled with polymeric sand. Little intricate, all right, but stunning. Clients wanted it to look like an up northern house. So we installed this beautiful cobblestone driveway. You can see it has some really nice texture, but everything came out fantastic. We're super happy to be working with Banyan Construction, and we'll have plenty more to come down here in the future. So stay tuned, please keep liking our videos, and we'll see you guys soon.